This is amazing.
Hello.
Hi.
This is amazing.
Hello.
Hi, Allie. Nice to meet you.
So this is it.
I can definitely see why you bought it.
When we bought the house, we didn't look at it for what it is. We looked at it for what it's going to be. So we started demoing it.
But we got in way over our head. We had no vision of like what to do with it.
We trust Jenny and Dave. It's a big investment for us that we're putting into it, but what we're going to get out of it is going to make it all worth it.
We're ready to make it our forever home and enjoy our life on the lake together as a family.
You guys have set aside $310,000 for this renovation, right?
Right.
That's great. We can do a lot with that. I'm excited. What do you think about the exterior of the house? Anything that you want to keep?
I don't like any of it.
Okay.
I want it all to go.
Okay.
The front door is a little hidden.
Let's go check that out. Yeah, it's just tucked back here. I feel like the biggest issue is this does not look like a lake home. It just looks like a house that could be anywhere.
I agree. I'd like the front to be more inviting.
So basically, the plan is to redo the entire front. We will create a more inviting entryway, add cedar shake siding, update the landscaping. We're gonna make this just look like a quintessential lake house.
Cool.
Yes, this is the kitchen. You can see how small the kitchen was.
So this door goes to the garage, I'm
Right.
assuming. This must have been like a
The
little
pantry over here, a little nook.
I mean, talk about wasted space. I would like to be able to steal that space for your kitchen.
Yeah, and it gives us another 5.5 feet.
Yes.
Cool.
I would love to make this room open with the rest of the house. And we lower the windows, so as much glass as possible.
Okay.
Exactly.
So once we open this up and make this enclosed porch part of your living room, instead of keeping your front door where it is currently, we're gonna take away this front bedroom and create a new entrance to the house. So from the outside, it'll be welcoming and inviting, and when you walk in, you would now just see straight out to the lake. It's all about really maximizing the view.
That is a good idea. So this is the master. Again, just it's about the view. I would like to have big windows.
Right. What if we did a deck out here? Because I could see you like going out like French
Yes.
doors here.
I like your thinking.
This is gonna be awesome. Okay.
And then the bathroom.
A little dated.
It doesn't look like it has updates since 1992.
We would like to have a bathtub, not one with jets, and then a stand-up shower.
We don't have a whole lot of real estate in here to work with.
Would you be okay with taking away some of your closet space, because that's what's right here, to create a shower?
Absolutely. We don't need
That's
a
awesome.
big closet.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I'd love to do is to add some really cool floor tile in here, beautiful new vanities. We'll find space for a bathtub, also a stand-up shower, and then get you some new lighting.
Perfect.
All right.
This is where all the kids can come and hang out.
We want to have a place for Allie and her friends over.
Cool.
Thinking like some kind of a place where they can sit and eat.
Okay. Basically, the plan in this space is keep the same flooring that we'll have in the rest of the house, and we'll have a lot more glass to really maximize the view of the lake.
Chase. What? Not liking what I'm seeing here. This has been cut up and gnarled.
You think we still reuse that?
We were trying to save the wards $1,000 off the budget. We can't leave them with that. We're gonna have to get a new firebox anyway. So we're actually gonna take this wall out, all those cabinets out. Okay, get rolling.
Oh, this one's slipping. Come back for that.
Oh, heads up.
Joe, everything's going out.
Alrighty.
We're ripping everything out of Troy and Melody's bathroom. And we're opening up the porch to the living room.
Ooh, dog it.
This house is gonna be incredible. It's starting to take shape. It's getting very exciting.
Yeah,
I love it. This brick is just heavy, and it doesn't give the lake house look that Troy and Melody want. So instead, we're gonna have cedar shake siding, going for like a Nantucket lake house feel here in Arkansas. Let it rip. Woo! Demo's done. So the framers are hard at work building the front porch. We're really trying to give Melody that inviting entry that she wants. And in the kitchen, we're expanding the width of the room and raising the ceiling just to make it feel as spacious as possible in here.
So I'm thinking we can take this whole roof line out right to the edge and have a bar, seating, create a little fishing pole storage, cedar siding, obviously to match the house, and make this an outdoor man cave.
I want to help with this.
We're really moving along now. We are framing walls in Troy and Melody's bathroom that are going to allow us to expand the space for the shower. This is gonna be perfect. We're installing a new front door. You need some rafters?
Yeah.
And Chase and I are using some extra lumber I had to frame out the boathouse for our special side project. All right, let's finish her up. The rafters on here and roof it all.
I love it.
I love a cedar shake. Just feels very lake house. And the porch looks great. It actually has a really awesome entrance now. You can see where the door is.
Yeah.
This is the theme of the Ward house. And we are creating this inlay so that everyone who walks in their home knows this house is all about being in the moment. So I think this is gonna be one of the most special pieces in the house.
What do you think?
It looks so good. What a fun thing. They're gonna love it. We're adding a horizontal metal railing because this is kind of a modern take on a traditional Nantucket style house. And I love a horizontal railing because it doesn't block the view of the lake. The railings will be painted black. We'll have white posts against the cedar. We have one more day until the Wards come back, and we have a lot to get finished. We're adding a new railing on the staircase that will match what we have out on the deck. And the appliances are being installed. I chose a white matte finish to give Melody the light, bright kitchen that she wants.
I really think that the Ward family is gonna come and just say, gosh, it's perfect.
This makes me so nervous. I just want to set it down.
They are going to love this renovation.
Fire up. Ta-da! That's gonna look awesome at night.
Can't wait to see it. I can't imagine what it looks like. Is that it right there?
Holy cow. There it is.
That's so pretty. I love it. Not in a million years would I have ever would have pictured this.
I'm just shell-shocked. This is not the same place. Whole thing was just a slab of concrete. And the fact that you turned it into this, I'm a loss of words.
Come on over here. I made you a special door for a fishing closet.
Wow.
So I made this all out of custom maple with cherry inlays.
This is the new beginning. That is awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
This is so nice. Yeah, the popcorn machine, love it. My name, it has my name too.
We had gone to the movie theater downtown, and in there was kind of my inspiration of like this modern space that's really timeless, but also feels very cool. So you come down here with all your friends, you can have your snacks, and you have your little soda bar.
Oh, that's pretty sweet.
The floors are all just solid oak.
We wanted something that was really durable for coming in and out from the lake.
It's gorgeous. She's never gonna ever move out. This could definitely backfire on us. Oh my gosh. I love it. Look at the landscaping.
Columns.
Welcome home. Oh my. Did you notice that? Gosh.
I think she just walked right over.
She did, she did. Give her a minute, we'll come back. Did you?
No, I didn't. Oh my gosh. Carpet. Look at the living room.
Is this the same house?
This is how this house was supposed to look.
Oh my gosh. Like so shocked right now. Beautiful. Oh wow, look at the kitchen, Troy.
I feel
Oh
like
my
this
gosh.
feels like
It does.
the lake brought inside is what I really wanted in here for you. Okay, we have one more space.
Oh goodness.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. I love that we can go out here. Oh my Lord.
Wow. I'm having to pinch myself, say, is this really our house?